kasagsagan ng mga summer leagues dito sa bansa. May isang player na talagang nagpahiyaw sa mga basketball fans dito sa Barangay Signal, Taguig City. Dahil laging showtime, mabilis itong naging idolo ng mga kabataan rito.
And I kind of just want to learn more about my roots and where I came from.
Siya ang Filipino-Canadian na si Thomas Reed.
Basketball culture here, I know that it's huge. I just knew they were aggressive. You can't get away with not playing defense here because you'll feel it.
Isa lang daw ang kanyang misyon dito sa Pilipinas.
Hopefully make it to the PBA, that's the goal as of now.
Ngayong gabi, mapapalaban na naman si Thomas at ang kupunan na 5K kicks.
My name is Thomas Reed, I'm 23, I'm a shooting guard, and I'm from Canada.
5 seconds remaining time.
Sa mga galawang na ipakita netong si Reed, maraming nakapansin na may hawig ang kanyang game style sa Utah Jazz guard at Phil-Am na si Jordan Clarkson. Pero ayon kay Reed, nakuha niya ang kanyang mga galaw sa NBA All-Star point guard ng OKC Thunder na si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander.
An NBA player I look up to is definitely Shai. Not only because he's from Canada, but just the way he is. Like he's a humble killer. I love that about him. My favorite thing about his game by far is his pace. He slows the game down when he's running the floor. Like it goes at his pace. Everything slows down to his level, and he's never really worried. Like if you watch him play, it's really smooth, really slow, and just at a good pace.
Malaki daw ang impluwensya ni SGA dito kay Reed.
I feel like I try to model my game and kind of model myself after him. Everything I do. Try to keep everything consistent with my food, my sleep schedule, with everything in general. Everything stays consistent, just like him.
From rags to riches, I rise and shine. With God in my heart, everything's divine. Family by my side, we'll conquer the grind. In this life of struggle, true love I find.
Sa rin ng buhay, laban ay walang katapusan. Bawat suntok at talo, may kwento ng pagsusumikap. Di lang para sa sarili, kundi para sa bayan. Sa hirap at ginhawa, pamilya ko ang dahilan.
Born and raised sa Toronto, Canada, sa kanyang Filipinang ina itong si Thomas.
Struggle, true love I find.
Sa rin ng buhay, laban ay walang katapusan.
My Filipino roots, my mom's actually from here. She grew up in Medicina, and that's all I know about that. I'm learning more. I'm trying to learn my Filipino roots, learn some Tagalog, and get some Filipino food.
Magtagumpay sila'y kasama sa laban. Kaya kahit anong mangyari, di ako susuko dahil ang tunay na
Growing up, I was really a soccer fan. I'm really a fan of Neymar. I love soccer. I'm a big soccer guy. I started playing basketball really late, my 9th grade. So my friends were usually playing basketball all around. My friends started playing, got me into it, and got pretty good at it, and just started taking it serious.
Yo, mula sa kanina may ina Saan ang pangarap ay nag-aalap Isang batang basketballista Handang lumipad Di gusto siyang puno ng apoy Mula sa kanyang kumaylibol Sa buhay mga dilang
Grade 10, I made it. Grade 11, I made it. Grade 12, I made it. And then I just started taking it seriously. Once I reached 12th grade, I'm just like, you know what, I think I could really go somewhere with this and take this somewhere else. So I started taking it seriously, and thank God I got an offer to play at a Division I school in America. I took that offer, and it led me here.
Is there someone who scouted you there?
Yeah, so basically it works. It's like AAU. We have AAU and different like summer circuits and things like that. And basically coaches from different schools just come out and recruit and just see who fits their roster. It was intimidating, I'm not gonna lie. Being from Canada, it's intimidating going to America to play basketball. But all the other guys were foreigners too. A lot of them were foreigners, so they made me feel at home. It was a good school, a great program, great coaches. So I can only thank God for that. Virginia basketball. It's like the DMV, like that's what I would say the DMV. There's DC, Maryland, Virginia. they're dogs. They're dogs. They go after it, and you're gonna feel them throughout the game. You're gonna know they're there for sure.
Matapos ang ilang taong residency sa Virginia, nagdesisyon si Thomas na ituloy ang kanyang college career dito sa Pilipinas.
Decision to come to the Philippines was honestly based off my mother. She's a Filipino, of course, and I kind of just wanted to learn more about my roots and where I came from. And I've heard only good things about Filipino, their culture, their people all around, so I wanted to experience it for myself.
Pagdating ng Pilipinas, hindi basketball ang sumalubong na oportunidad kay Thomas, kundi ang pag-e-endorse at pagmamodel ng iba't ibang clothing brand dito sa bansa.
Right now, my goal is just to take basketball wherever I can take it. Like, I really love to travel. I'm a big fan of traveling, so wherever basketball takes me is wherever I'll end up. I don't know what to call home yet. For now, the Philippines is home.
Fuck. Know that? They know that?
At para di mawala sa kondisyon, naglaro ito sa mga barabarangay, mga commercial leagues, at nag-tryout din sa isang bigating school dito sa Manila.
So basketball culture here, I know that it's huge, really big. Philippines loves basketball. Coming here though, I didn't really know much about the Philippines, like and how basketball works here, but I just knew they're aggressive. I knew that they played aggressive, and you can't get away with not playing defense here because you'll feel it.
February 2024 nang maglaro itong si Thomas sa preseason tournament para sa UST Growling Tigers. Pero matapos ang ilang buwan ay nagdesisyon itong mag-transfer at mag-training sa Letra Knights.
So today I'm just here watching my team play. Unfortunately, I can't play because I'm working on my paperwork and everything. I'm here to support my team, play Sambetta. Hopefully get the dub. This is my first game watching them live, so their play style and how they play and how they play together, definitely what I'm trying to learn. The opportunity I'm looking for now is to play in school. Play a year in school, have a good season hopefully, and hopefully make it to the PBA. That's the goal as of now.
Pero neto lang Setyembre, official nang nag-commit si Thomas sa San Sebastian College Recoletos at inaasahang maglalaro sa susunod na season ng NCAA.
It was just a better opportunity for me. It felt more like a family. I knew a few people there. I knew the coaching staff pretty well. Yeah, overall, it's just a great opportunity. It's all love for Letran, and I wish them the absolute best. Honestly, I'm looking to bring a championship, bringing that winning culture back to San Sebastian. I met all the guys, they're all cool. We practice together every day, we go out to eat together. Honestly, it's become such a family that we all learn from each other every day, honestly. And everything we do, from learning English to learning Tagalog to on the court, we all learn from each other every day.
Ngayong gabi, mapapalaban na naman si Thomas at ang kupunan na 5K kicks dito sa Barangay Signal sa Taguig.
number 14. Back to number 14. Garcia. Garcia, number 14. 2 points. Number 8. 2 points. Number 19. 2 points.
Shout out my people back home holding it down, and shout out 5K Kicks for the opportunity. Shout out Hoop Fights.